If you click on the link in the description, it's actually bring you right here where you sign up. As you can see right here, welcome to register. Right here, you have to put your number, put your password, confirm your password right here. So as you can see the referral code right here. So if you click on the link, so the referral code will be here already. So or you can see the referral code right here. So after that, all you need to do is just to click on this register right here. Once you click on that register, it will take you to where you download the app. So right here on Play Store. So you need to download the app on Play Store. So as you can see, it's loading up there. Yeah. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see right here, I've already downloaded it. So your only need to download it. So I'm gonna open it. So once I open it, I'm gonna load. So as it's loading up right there, it's loading. So what I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel. What I basically do in this channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. Once I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do the same thing and get the same results. So right here, what you have to do just to come right here, welcome to login, put your number, put your password and click on this sign in. Once you click on this sign in, you should log in. As you can see right here, in 3 days you will be getting 1,750 naira right here. So revenue in 3 days. So this one is actually for free, 1,750 naira for free. So you have to claim this, so just click on this. Just click on this receive and receive this 14 naira right here. But before in the next 3 days you'll be receiving 1,750 naira. So right here, once you're on your dashboard, just come back right on your dashboard. So as you can see right, it's load. So I'm gonna close this thing right here. So I'm gonna close this one right here. So as you can see what the dashboard look like. So your balance right here, just click on this. You can see my balance right here is 14 naira that I just claimed. Just go down right, you can see what the page look like. Just click on this. Once you click on this, purchase her. Once you click on this purchase her, so it's an investment platform. So right here you can see right here, this one right here, if you invest 8,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 11.5 naira per hour. And you can see quantity sold 17,542. Today that people are already making money with this site. This one right here, if you invest 90,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 117 naira per hour. You can see sold 4,452. This one right here, if you invest 30,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 36.8 naira per hour. You can see 12 quantity sold 12,820. So the day that people are really making money with this site. So this one right here, 500,000 naira, 772 naira per hour. So you can see, so right here, you can see that people are really making money with this site. So today that I'm not joking right here. So right here, I'm gonna close this one right here. So right here, so to recharge, just click on this recharge right here. Once you click on that recharge, you're gonna actually bring you to the next page. So as you can see the next page right here, you're gonna select the amount you want to recharge with. I'm gonna close this thing right here. Just click on got it right here. Just cancel this one right here. So I can see I can charge 10,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 200,000 naira. So any amount you want to charge, but I'm gonna go with 8,000 naira. So as a beginner, so I have to go with what you have to go with what you can afford to lose. Right here, you're gonna open up. So you're gonna open up. Just click on this recharge. Once you select that one, just click on this recharge. Once you click on this recharge, you're gonna take it to the next page. So you can see that it's loading. So if you're not yet subscribe, turn on the notification so that when I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give a notification that I'm actually drop a video. Right here, as you can see, I've opened up right here. So it's loading. It's loading. So if you're investing, invest what you can afford to lose. So that's why I guess people invest what you can afford to lose. So right here, as you can see, you're gonna make 8,000 naira transfer to this bank account, Wema Bank. You can see the account number right here. You can see Wema Bank. You can see the account name right here. So once you made the payment, just come back right here and say I have made the payment. So very important. You can see this account is valid for one time please do not transfer multiple times. So that is an instruction. So once you click on this, the balance gonna go to the balance within some minutes. The balance gonna go to your, it will show on your dashboard right here 8,000 naira. So you can purchase 8,000 naira this thing right here. So on this I have referral program right here. So you can see if you refer somebody right here, you're gonna be earning 5% commission. So you can see your referral right here, you're gonna be earning 5% commission from whatever the person purchased. So and they have as you can see, for example 8,000 naira, you're gonna be earning, if somebody buy 8,000 naira, you're gonna be earning for 400 naira. So this one right here, so that's how you're gonna be making money by referring people. So if you don't want to invest, you can see refer people and make money. So right here you can see right here, so that's how you're gonna be making money referring people. So I'll be leaving the link down there in the description, so you can click it on some as you can see referral code right here. Make sure you put this referral code right here. So I'm gonna close this thing right here. So you can see this site. So you can also withdraw your money. Let me see, just come right here. Once you read the minimum withdrawal, you can see right here withdrawal in 12 hours. So right here you can just come here, put your username, enter your phone number, put your bank name, just select your bank. After selecting your bank, just come back and put your account number, put your email. After that, click on this. After that, click on this submit right here. Once you submit right here, you're gonna come right here and enter the amount. So very simple to withdraw. So right here, you can see that this site, people are really making money with this site. If I come down right here, let me just scroll down a bit so that you see that people are really making money with this site. So let me just scroll down a bit. So you can see that people are really making money with this site. Right here you can see successfully withdrawn 4,000 naira, successfully withdrawn 4,000, successfully withdrawn 2,000 naira, successfully withdrawn 2,300 naira, bought 10,000 naira. So as you can see, people are really making money with this site. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. So that when I drop a video like this, it will actually give you the description that I've actually dropped a video. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm to make money online. So thank you for watching.